Ready to level up your English game? Let's test your present tense skills, no grammar stress, just quick wins. Question 1. She blank to school every day. Should it be go, goes, or going? The answer is B. She goes to school every day. We use goes here because she is third person singular. In simple present tense, verbs take an S for he, she, and it. Question 2. They blank football right now. Should it be play, plays, or are playing? The answer is C. They are playing football right now. We use present continuous here because the phrase right now tells us this action is happening at this exact moment. That's are playing. Question 3. Water blank at 100 degrees Celsius. Should it be boil, boils, or is boiling? The answer is B. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a scientific fact. Water always boils at 100 degrees. For facts and general truths, we use simple present tense, boils. Question 4. I blank my keys. Can you help me find them? Should it be lose, lost, or am losing? The answer is C. I am losing my keys. The speaker is in the middle of losing their keys right now. This is a temporary situation happening around this moment, so we use present continuous, am losing. Question 5. He blank chocolate ice cream. Should it be love, loves, or is loving? The answer is B. He loves chocolate ice cream. Love is a stative verb. It describes a feeling, not an action. Stative verbs don't use continuous forms. We say he loves, not he is loving. Question 6. Look. The bus blank. Should it be come, comes, or is coming? The answer is C. The bus is coming. When we say look or listen, we're pointing to something happening right now. The bus is arriving at this moment, so we use present continuous, is coming. Question 7. My parents blank in Jakarta. Should it be live, lives, or are living? The answer is A. My parents live in Jakarta. This describes where someone lives permanently. For permanent situations like home and work, we use simple present, live, not are living. Question 8. She blank 3 languages fluently. Should it be speak, speaks, or is speaking? The answer is B. She speaks 3 languages fluently. Speaking 3 languages is a skill or ability. Abilities use simple present tense. Also, she is third person singular, so we add s, speaks. Question 9. We blank dinner at 7 p.m. every evening. Should it be he have, has, or are having? The answer is A. We have dinner at 7 p.m. every evening. The phrase every evening tells us this is a routine or habit. For routines and schedules, we use simple present tense, have. Question 10. I blank hungry. Let's eat something. Should it be am, is, or am being? The answer is A. I am hungry. Hungry describes a state or condition. The verb be in this context is stative, so we use simple present, I am hungry. We don't say I am being hungry. Question 11. The sun blank in the east. Should it be rise, rises, or is rising? The answer is B. The sun rises in the east. This is a permanent fact about nature. The sun always rises in the east. For natural phenomena and permanent facts, we use simple present, rises. Question 12. Be quiet. The baby blank. Should it be asleep, sleeps, or is sleeping? The answer is C. The baby is sleeping. Be quiet tells us the baby is sleeping right now, at this exact moment. For actions happening now, we use present continuous, is sleeping. Question 13. She blank coffee every morning. Should it be drink, drinks, or is drinking? The answer is B. She drinks coffee every morning. Every morning indicates a daily routine. For routines, we use simple present. And because the subject is she, third person singular, we add s to the verb, drinks. Question 14. I blank TikTok videos right now. Should it be watch, watches, or am watching? The answer is C. I am watching TikTok videos right now. The phrase right now is a clear signal. It means the action is happening at this very moment. For current actions, we use present continuous, am watching. Question 15. He blank his phone during class. Should it be always uses, is always using, or use always? The answer is B. He is always using his phone during class. When we use always with present continuous, it often shows annoyance or complaint. The speaker is frustrated that he keeps using his phone. That's why we say is always using. Question 16. This app blank really well on my phone. Should it be work, works, or is working? The answer is B. This app works really well on my phone. This describes a permanent quality of the app. It's not a temporary situation. For permanent features and qualities, we use simple present, works. Question 17. We blank a party this weekend. Should it be he have, has, or are having? The answer is C. We are having a party this weekend. Even though this is about the future, we use present continuous because it's a fixed plan or arrangement. This weekend shows it's already planned. So we say are having. Question 18. I blank what you mean. Should it be can not understand, don't understand, or am not understanding? The answer is B. I don't understand what you mean. Understand is a stative verb. It describes a mental state, not an action. Stative verbs don't use continuous forms. For negative, we say don't understand, not am not understanding. Question 19. Cats blank milk. Should it be love, loves, or are loving? The answer is A. Cats love milk. Cats is plural. For plural subjects like ye cats, they, or we use the base form of the verb without less. So it's cats love, not cats loves. Question 20. She blank her homework before dinner. Should it be usually finishes, is usually finishing, or finish usually? The answer is A. She usually finishes her homework before dinner. Usually is an adverb of frequency. In simple present tense, adverbs of frequency go before the main verb. Also, she is third person singular, so the verb is he finishes. Question 21. The train blank at 6:15 p.m. every day. Should it be leave, leaves, or is leaving? The answer is B. The train leaves at 6:15 p.m. every day. This is about a train schedule. For timetables and schedules, like trains, buses, movies, we use simple present tense. The train leaves at 6:15. Question 22. I are blank my friends later today. Should it be a meet, meets, or a meeting? The answer is C. I am meeting my friends later today. Later today shows this is a future plan. For personal arrangements and plans with future time words, we use present continuous, a meeting. Question 23. He blank tall and handsome. Should it be is, are, or is being? The answer is A. He is tall and handsome. Being tall and handsome describes permanent characteristics. For permanent qualities and descriptions, we use simple present of be he is, not is being. Question 24. They blank about moving to Bali next year. Should it be think, thinks, or are thinking? The answer is C. They are thinking about moving to Bali next year. There's an important difference here. Think about the means considering, and that uses present continuous. But think of alone, for opinions, use is simple present. Here, they're considering a move, so are thinking. Question 25. My phone, blank. 256 gigabytes of storage. Should it be he have? Has? Or is having? The answer is B. My phone has 256 gigabytes of storage. Here, have means possession. It's a stative verb, so we don't use continuous form. Also, my phone is third person singular, so we used has, not have. Great! You just crushed 25 present tense questions. Grammar unlocked. Keep flexing those English skills, you've got this.